cameras have been around for a few years now, and they're starting to take over the market. But still, a lot of people don't actually know what a mirrorless camera is. So that's what I'm going to be explaining in this video. Over the past century, there has been many different types of cameras. The first camera made for commercial use was the daguerreotype, which was essentially just two boxes with a glass focusing screen and an image plate. Then came the box brownie, the first camera to use a roll of film, which made it easier to produce multiple photos. Then the Rolleiflex, the first single lens reflex camera, which used a mirror and prism system to show the photographer exactly what they were taking a photo of. Then in the late 80s, with the digital era beginning, we got the first DSLR, digital single lens reflex camera, the Nikon QV1000C. And now we have the mirrorless camera, which came from a need for everything to be made smaller, faster and quieter. The manufacturers took out the big mirror and replaced it with a digital viewfinder, which gives the photographer even more accurate representation of what their photo is going to look like. So there you have it. A mirrorless camera is essentially a DSLR without the mirror. Mirrorless cameras have all the same functions as a DSLR, if not more. They have big sensors, interchangeable lenses, and many special features. But they are smaller and lighter than a DSLR, making them easier to hold and transport. For this reason, they are now starting to take over the marketplace, with both Canon and Nikon hinting that they won't be making DSLRs in the future. So if you are stuck choosing between a DSLR and a mirrorless camera, I would say go for the mirrorless. Don't get me wrong, DSLRs are still great cameras, and I still use my old 7D on a regular basis. But the future is clearly with mirrorless cameras. So if you don't start using a mirrorless camera soon, you're going to start to get left behind. I hope that you have found this video useful. If you do have any questions about mirrorless cameras, please drop them in the comments. I will also put a link to a blog that I wrote about choosing the best camera for you. I'll put the link for that in the description. So if you're still a bit confused about what camera is best for you, make sure you go and check out that blog. Thanks for watching, and make sure that you do subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video if you have enjoyed it. See you again next week. Bye bye.